This is Litre Total Parts Pro to the F 2022 Chevrolet Silverado, stock number 6960. This ran from the 2020 to the current shape. It's an outlet 87 6.2 litre V8 petrol engine backed by a 10-speed automatic transmission. This is the outlet 7 6.2 litre V8 petrol engine. Left-hand headlight. Left front 20-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Left rear 20-inch aftermarket good tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right hand taillight. Right rear 20-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster.